few days later, so I mentioned there were two, so that was number
Yep.
one. A few days later,
number
a
two.
security researcher discovered that Anthropic had shipped a 60 megabyte source map file inside their Claude Code NPM package. So basically, the entire source code, which is about 500,000 lines, was just sitting right there, unobfuscated for anyone to read.
Yeah, so if we're really confused by NPM, it's the Node package manager. It's how you actually download pieces of code, including how most of us install Claude code. And it's important to note that this isn't a model leak, right? They didn't release Claude Opus's weights or something to the world. The models themselves weren't exposed. What was leaked was the agent harness, the system that kind of wraps around the model that we've been talking about in recent weeks, the tooling, the memory architecture, the coordination logic. And honestly, it's kind of more revealing than getting the model weights. I don't know what I would do with the model weights, but this stuff is actually pretty interesting. The code features things like always-on background agents that can act autonomously, background memory consolidation that runs while you're not using it, and multi-agent coordination systems. And these aren't, interestingly, not just coding assistants anymore, even though we think of it as like Claude code. They're really kind of general work assistants. And one of the key things is they're built on plain text files, markdown for memory, for skills, for project, which is like a really simple kind of plain text-based stuff. So this is stuff that's easy to read, and people got their hands on it and taking a look at what all it can do.